Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you exactly how to set the price for your ride on BlaBlaCar so you can start earning or sharing your trip efficiently. First, open the BlaBlaCar app on your phone. Once you are logged in, tap on Offer a Ride button to start creating your trip. Next, fill in your departure and arrival locations. You can also add the stops. Then hit Continue, and now you can add the date and the time. Once set, you can select number of seats, 2 persons. After entering all the trip details, you will see a section called Set Price or Price per Seat. Here you can manually enter the amount you want to charge for each seat. BlaBlaCar usually gives a recommended price based on the distance and average fares, but you can adjust it slightly according to your preference. Keep in mind that the price should be fair and competitive so passengers are more likely to book your ride. I'll go with 60 euros. Remember, you can always edit the price later if needed by going to My Trips and selecting your ride. This way you can adjust your fare if circumstances change or if you want to attract more passengers. After setting the price, review your trip details carefully. Make sure all the information is correct, your route, date, time and price. Once everything looks good, tap on Publish or Offer Ride. That's it, your trip is now live and passengers can see and book their seats. Setting your price in BlaBlaCar is simple, fast and ensures a smooth experience for both you and your passengers. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe.